everybody, it's Christine, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you of my newest stuff from Paper House Productions. Now, I don't have the video space to do all of it at one time, so I'm going to split it into a couple of videos. Today I'm going to focus on the newest planners and planner products. Okay, so the first planner I want to show you is the Stargazer planner and all the stuff that goes along with that collection. This is part of the Life Organized collection. It is 18 months, undated, vertical planner, and you can see it's got a calendar, and then it's got a weekly spread for each one, and this one has notes, goals, gratitude, and then we've got pretty divider again, and then on the back of each month you've got room for notes and reminders. So you can see lots of pretty galaxy stargazing themes going on throughout this one. I love that stuff and have been having fun playing with creating backgrounds like that, so this is going to be a lot of fun to dive into. This is my favorite of all the dividers. Look at that. Gold foil splatters. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? Okay, well, a galaxy background's pretty awesome too. Just a lot of combinations of a lot of fun, trendy stuff in here. Oh, whoops, missed one. So you can see it's got a lot of gemstone feel to it going with it too. And backgrounds for that as well. Okay, a few more. Okay, and this one does have a pocket. And then in the back you've got some stickers. So these ones actually come with the planner. Dates. Okay. And oh yeah, I was gonna say I thought I missed a page. Yeah, there's one more page of stickers here. Now, additional products in the Stargazer line. These do not come with the planner, but these are ones you can pick up as add-ons. Washi tape. Okay, and this one has, all their washi tape has two sizes, so the bigger one and the little one, which these are really nice for borders in your planner. And then a new add-on to Paper House's line is enamels. So I'm going to pull this one out and show you. These have the feel of like an enamel pin. Really unique. And you can see they have gold foiling on them. Here, let me move this out of the way. Let's see, how can I show you this best? Always tricky with a glare at night. That's a little better. Still got some glare because there's gold foiling, so there's not a whole lot you can do on that. But you can see this will coordinate perfectly with that. And then there's also this narwhal set. And then they also have the micro stickers, which these are just teeny tiny stickers that fit into your planner. Again, just a variety. I'll try and get close up for you so you can see all the little different details. Tons of them. 204. Okay, then there's the puffy stickers, which Paper House has been making for quite a while, and they do a beautiful job with it. So these ones are unicorns. And then finally, the planner stickers. So these are different from what comes in the actual planner. These are just cardstock based. So that is the Stargazer Life Organized stuff. Then we have a planner set. This one is a faith-based planner set, which of course I had to have because I'm a Christian, I'm a pastor's wife. The more Bible verses I can get in my face every day, the better. So this one is, it comes with stuff in it, and this one is different. It's a 12-month undated planner. So it's not 18 months like the other one. Let's take a look at all the different elements to this one. So you've got, of course, the folder in the front, or the pocket, and then has a very similar look to the Stargazer one in the setup, just a different, obviously different graphics and stuff, but vertical, very pretty. And then every other divider page has Bible verses. So not by my strength, but his. And a pretty floral. If I have a faith that can move mountains but do not have love, I am nothing. Florals. The Lord is my strength and my shield. So like I said, every other one has a Bible verse. This one's really pretty with the foiling. Be kind to one another. Foiling is always just a little tricky to capture live on camera. God is our refuge and strength. And then this one matches the graphics in between. God has a great plan for your life. Okay, so lots of pretty elements in here. Then it comes with some items that you're not going to find anywhere else at this point. Some puffy clips, which these are literally puffy. And then these are some of the enamel stickers, but they're only in that planner set. Some micro stickers, which these ones might be available elsewhere. I'm not sure. I'll have to check, and if they are, I will link you up to that. And then some typical planner stickers. Very pretty, very much looking forward to diving into this one. Now, another new item to Paper House's lineup is the journey books, which are traveler's notebooks. Look at how beautiful this one is. It's a dark chocolate brown. It's got embossing on it. Very classy, very neutral. I already have plans for this one. I am so excited about these. They come with stickers that you can use inside for dividing up your pages, as well as 2 inserts. Now, these are great for planning. They're great also for just memory keeping, depending what your approach to traveler's notebooks are. I've seen it all kinds of different ways. I have kind of a mixed plan for mine. So I am looking forward to playing with these. In fact, you will be seeing me playing with this probably within the next week. Maybe not the 26th, I have a post going up for it. So just over a week. Now this one, oh sorry, that one was called Nashville. This one is called Unicorn. This one is a lot less neutral. Still very pretty, very fun. Has a glitter cover, and it's like a pinkishy, that is not a word. Pinkish, purpley, I don't know if that's a word either, but pink purple color. And it's called Unicorn, like I said. Has, again, the coordinating stickers, and then 2 different inserts to go with it. Okay, very fun, very on trend. This one obviously will have you'll have a different approach with this one than I think you would with that one. So it'll be interesting to see how people play with these in different ways to suit their personalities. Now, along the line of traveler's notebooks and bullet journals and planners, they have a new set of creative journaling stickers. These are foiled and have kind of a vellum like texture to them. They're not clear, but they're not cardstock either. So they have, I don't know if you can see that, if that's translating. They have a very different feel to them. This one is just a general set with a variety of things that you can use for your planner or bullet journal. This one is a fitness set, which is going to be fun to start to incorporate. Really love the look of it. I can see where these are going to be easy to write on. This one is calendar stuff, as well as lots and lots of fun quotes. And the final one is months. And all of them have gold foil on them. Finally, some additional planner stuff that I want to share with you. They came out with a Wonder Woman planner. I did not get it because Wonder Woman is just not my thing, but I did get some of the accessories to go with it because I do want to play with it because holy moly, it is incredibly popular. And you can see how fun are all these. So if you're a fan of Wonder Woman, you are going to want to head to their blog and to their website and grab the Wonder Woman planner because it is going to sell fast. I can't believe how popular it has been on the Facebook page. So these are the micro stickers. Little teeny tiny Wonder Woman. And then the enamels, so a little bit bigger. And then these are the 2-inch stickers. And then finally, just a couple more planner sets that I picked up some extras of. This is the Kawaii one, which I have the Kawaii planner and have to finish it out, so I needed a few more for that. And Summer Fun, just because summer is coming, so I wanted a fresh set of summer planner stickers. So there's all the new planner stuff that I'm going to show you today. Tomorrow I'll be back with a whole bunch more stickers and papers and all kinds of stuff. Of course, there's always some overlap from planner to scrapbooking, but kind of tried to group it together for you. We'll see you again soon.